Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact 12 or 24 words plus any hidden passphrase. This is the core. Once done, boot an air-gapped machine or a live USB to avoid network exposure, and make sure to have a verified BIP39 word list and checksum utility available offline. Next, write everything by hand on paper and double-check each word. Don't type the seed into a connected computer. This first step prevents theft and prepares you for safe recovery. You now derive keys offline using a trusted BIP39 tool on the air-gapped device. Choose the correct derivation path for the wallet type and include the passphrase if used. As you derive addresses and XBUBs, validate them against known transactions or expected balances to confirm correctness. If addresses don't match, try alternative common paths and account indexes systematically. Make sure to document each attempted path so you don't repeat steps and to isolate the exact combination that reveals your funds. You finish by restoring the confirmed keys into a hardware wallet or a local software wallet using only the validated derivation and passphrase. Once restored, move funds to a freshly generated wallet with a new seed and stronger passphrase to eliminate exposure risk. After transfer, create 2 independent backups, one paper, one encrypted cold storage, and verify recovery by performing a dry restore. If something fails, the key troubleshooting tip is to recheck word order and try common derivation paths. Most errors are path or passphrase mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.